Are you looking for the who makes the best brush for polycrylic? Here we will break down the top 7 who makes the best brush for polycrylic on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Pro Grade Paintbrushes 5E Paintbrush Set. For all small, medium, large, detailed or flat swathes, this package contains 5 flat and angled brushes for polyurethane application. These durable brushes are made from good quality materials to give you value for money and therefore you can repeat use these. Besides using these brushes for polyurethane, you can use these to apply stains and paints, making these versatile and multi-purpose. Protect your fences and decks with the help of these. Also suitable for crafts and arts projects, you can paint tricky nooks and corners easily with these. To further seal the durability of these brushes, they are held together by a stainless steel ferrule. It not only keeps the bristles in place, but also lasts longer as it's resistant to rust and corrosion. Don't worry about bruised and calloused hands, as the handle is made from a smooth hardwood to provide you with both comfort and control. You would be left wondering where all the time went while you were engrossed in varnishing. Save time by using these brushes with synthetic bristles. They are medium stiff and thick to allow you to hold more paint, hence saving time by completing projects faster. In addition, the special design of the bristles helps to achieve a satin smooth finish. As you might need to polish and protect wooden antiques with intricate carvings, the angled brushes with a thinner tip are perfect for trims and detail work. With the angled style, you get more precision and control. On top, you will not see any brush marks on the coats. With only a few bristles coming off when cleaning, this kit is a steal. The brushes are easy to clean with water. At number 2. Wooster Brush Q3211 2 Shortcut Angle Sash Paintbrush, 2-inch, white. When challenged with painting detail work and trims with polyurethane, this brush can't be beaten with its combination of style and design. Its exclusive suregrip handle is 2 1/4 inches long, so that you have more control when coating tight spaces. The short handle is paired with a full-size brush head, so that you get more coverage more smoothly without losing your grip or control. Thanks to the soft, rubbery feel of the suregrip handle made from an elastomeric material, the comfy grip enables you to apply polyurethane with ease. In hot and humid climates, this special handle provides a non-slip grip as well to prevent spills and spoils. With its anti-wrap, anti-crack, and anti-peel property, the handle resists the harsh effects of solvents found in polyurethane, making it the best brush for polyurethane. Moreover, the brass-plated steel ferrule ensures further durability and reusability by holding together all the bristles in place. Suitable for both water-based and oil-based polyurethane, the bristles have been made from a special blend of gold polyester and white nylon. Their softness and thickness enable the brush to hold more polyurethane and release it evenly on the surface. The result is a smoother and faster job, saving you time and stress. The clever combination of a full-size brush head and the short handle provides fuller coverage and smoother application. To maintain this brush for repeated use, clean after each use with a solution of soapy water. Rinse with clean water and store after drying by hanging it upside down to retain its shape. At number 3. Purdy 140,853,100 XL Brush 3-pack. A combination of DuPont solid, round, and tapered Tinex plus Oral bristles make this brush suitable to apply both water-based and oil-based polyurethane. The pack of 3 contains XL brushes of size 1 inch, 1.5 inch, and 2 inch length. Their unique bristle blend makes them capable of holding more polyurethane, so you take fewer trips to the container and complete your project faster. This versatile set enables you to do all kinds of paint and varnish jobs, as the brushes are apt for that. With a copper ferrule, the bristles are held in place and won't lose their shape when you apply the polyurethane. The various bush sizes and styles allow for both painting and varnishing on the walls and ceilings, as well as on more intricate carvings, trim, and detail work. Primers and stains can also be applied with these brushes. The natural alderwood hardwood handle is comfortable, giving you the ease of varnishing for a long time. Moreover, its lightweight adds to comfort. The durable handle absorbs moisture, thereby keeping sweat off your hands, giving them a dry feel even on humid days. The non-slip handle is durable to boot. With the internal chisel placed strategically, the brush releases the polyurethane evenly, hence resulting in smooth strokes, free from brush marks, and a great bubble-free finish. The bolstered epoxy creates a buffer for the bristles so that they are rendered more durable. These brushes adhere to the top standards as they are carefully crafted with only the finest materials and are handmade. At number 4. Presa Premium Paintbrushes Set, 5-piece. You may be a deer or an amateur in using polyurethane, but these brushes will make you feel accomplished like an expert. These are professional grade and premium quality brushes for applying polyurethane. The specialty of these brushes is their 30% more holding capacity. Hence, these make you more productive and help you get on and finish your work faster. The solid round tapered, SRT style filaments are especially suitable for holding more polyurethane. With a narrower and smaller diameter bristle tips and a gradually wider diameter as they proceed toward the ferrule, these brushes are perfect for giving you painting and varnishing mastery. A flawless and even finish is what you strive for, and you won't be disappointed as the SRT technology helps to achieve just that on any surface. With an even polyurethane distribution on the bristles, the release is smooth, making the whole process easy as you have more control and can achieve accuracy. Don't fret about maintaining these brushes as these SRT bristles are effortless to clean after using. You can use them for repeated use, and they will still be durable. The bristles won't come off during painting or cleaning, which is another reason they are popular among serious users. A rough surface that needs painting or varnishing is always daunting, but these brushes are so well equipped that they make polyurethane applications on such surfaces a breeze. You will be surprised to see the same smooth finish as on other easier projects. No matter the size or depth of the project, you can depend on these brushes for a professional finish. At number 5. Hiltex 00308 Brush Paint Stain Varnish Set with Wood Handles, 5-piece. Just noticed your coffee table needs a quick touch-up before the guests come over. Reach out for this set of 5 brushes for polyurethane that have been designed for quick varnishing jobs. The various sizes 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5 and 3 inches make for the most versatile pack. Besides touch-ups on furniture, you can also do a great job on trims, cabinets, corners, windows, doors, and decks. The tapered and flagged ends of the bristles enable you to hold more polyurethane and apply it evenly. Besides, the thick polyester bristles allow you to save time by helping you to finish a job quicker. Grab the smaller brushes for painting thin lines on edges and even under the edges. Their narrow tips allow you to do so without any hassle as these can reach small spaces. You are always assured of an even finish as these brushes don't leave any brush marks behind. The light handles are manufactured from natural wood that makes them durable. The brushes are ideal for working with water-based polyurethane. The comfortable handle makes it easy to work on any size of a project as you can grip the brush suitably without getting your hands tired. Besides interior and exterior use, these brushes are also great for craft projects. To keep them well maintained, clean these after each use with a soapy water solution. The polyester bristles can be cleaned quickly and with ease. They retain their shape naturally, and you will find them the same even after multiple uses. Moreover, unlike other brands, these brushes don't lose many bristles while being cleaned. At number 6. Wooster Brush Paintbrush Q31082 Soft Paintbrush, 2-inch, white. A sure way to finish your woodwork varnishing projects faster and smoother is by using this special brush. The fine tips of the bristles lay the polyurethane evenly so that you don't need to go over the coats again and again. Hence, you can complete your work faster and get more satisfaction from that smooth finish that glows with warmth. The bristles are a blend of white nylon and gold polyester. The fine and feathery filaments make it the best paintbrush for polyurethane as they are durable, won't bend out of shape, will not shed during painting or cleaning. Moreover, they do not leave brush strokes and mar the even surface. You can use either water-based or oil-based polyurethane with this brush as it is compatible for use with both. This saves you from the headache of planning which type of varnish to use and to buy a suitable brush. The brass-plated ferrule is sturdy and keeps the bristles in place so that you can apply polyurethane without worrying about losing the bristles in the container or on the surface. The 4-inch pearl yellow plastic Kaiser handle is short and makes it comfortable for use for larger projects or long working hours. You will also get more control over the strokes with this lightweight handle. The beaver tail design of the handle also contributes to comfort and a firm grip. With the right width of this brush, you can do a great job on intricate edges, corners, and carvings. Plus, the bristles hold up the polyurethane without causing drips and wastage. At number 7. Pro Grade Chip Paintbrushes 36E 2-inch Chip Paintbrush. If you don't want to invest too much in a project where novices are involved, then this set of chip paintbrushes will give you what you're looking for. With 36 of these all-natural white Chinese bristle brushes, you can take care of a large project like a mural without thinking too much about taking care of the brush. These are one-time use and disposable, so there's no hassle of cleaning and maintenance for repeated use. This versatile and utility 2-inch brush is the best brush for polycrylic. It can be used to apply glue, gesso, stains, varnishes, paints. Use it for teaching art and craft projects to amateurs or kids, as you don't need a high-end brush for this purpose. It can also be used for minor touch-up jobs. The handle is durable and is made from advanced solid wood so that you can get the comfort and precision even though you might be working on a short-term project or one that does not need to look very professional. With the tin ferrule nailed properly, the bristles stay in place while you are applying polyurethane. Perfect for doing those projects that generate a lot of mess which you don't want to clean up, this set of brushes gives you the results without the hassle. To get more from these brushes, users suggest to wrap them up in aluminum foil between each coat of polyurethane application. There are mixed reviews about the bristles coming off on the surface while varnishing. All in all, these brushes give you value for money. Thank you.